I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to disable iMessage notifications for text messages on your iMac or MacBook. Step 1. Click to open the System Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down the menu on the left side of the window and then click Notifications. Step 3. Navigate down to the Application Notification section and then click Messages in this section. The associated menu opens. Step 4. You can disable all iMessage notifications by toggling off Allow Notifications. Alternatively, if you just want to turn off a certain type of notification that's bothering you, you can leave Allow Notifications toggled on and then move down to the next section to toggle off getting iMessage notifications on your desktop, in the Notification Center, or on the lock screen. Additionally, you can modify the iMessage alert style. Choose temporary if you want notifications to show up briefly on the screen before disappearing, or choose persistent if you want notifications to be displayed until you click to remove them. And finally, if it's just the sound of iMessage notifications that's bothering you, you can click to toggle off Play Sound for notification. You'll still get iMessage notifications on your Mac if you do this, but you'll no longer hear a sound play on your iMac or MacBook when you get a text message. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.